What's up YouTube? It's Junior aka Semi here bringing you another great video to the channel. If this is your first time here guys, and I highly recommend, and I do mean highly recommend, you guys go ahead and click on that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that bell notifications so you get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. Because trust me guys, you never want to miss out on anything we do here. Alright guys, today as you see from the title, we're having a great product review that I did want to unbox in front of you. I don't know if I'm going to install it right now for the video, but I'm going to install it after the video, but I'm just going to unbox it in front of you guys. So you guys know in this rig right here, I've been rocking a 3080 Ti for the longest. On my secondary PC right there, you can barely see it. It's down there. I am rocking a 3080. So I've had the 30 series when they first, at launch. I got them at launch, both of them. It's been, what, 4 years now? 3 years? So I don't know how many years it's been. I forget when they came out. But it's been a few years. I've had it and never had any issues with it. They've been running great. And I even still have the boxes. This is the box for my 3080. So I've been having this for a while. So what am I gonna do now? I'm gonna take the 3080 Ti, put it on my secondary PC, the 3080. Think I'm gonna sell it or build another PC, I'm not sure, but most likely sell it because I don't think I have time to build another PC or want to build another PC. I have no room for it. So what am I gonna replace this with my main rig with? So if you guys saw the title, you see that I did cop the PNY 5080 GPU guys. And I got it for retail price. I didn't pay any scalper pricing or anything like that. Guys, now the 50 series are now really available now. Not like the 30 series, it took like 2 years or a year or 2 years for it to be available for us to buy at the store and stuff. These are available now. I got the RGB one for PNY, but the non-RGB ones are $1,000, just like the Founders Editions. The Founders Editions are still sold out most places. You can get those, but the other ones, the other brand ones, like this one, you can actually get them at the store and buy them. Micro Center has them, and I retail, not scalp prices. Just to put, Amazon has them. Best Buy has this motherboard, the non-RGB one, available right now. I can go buy it right now, pick it up at the store at retail price, which is awesome. So if you've been waiting for a 50 series card, right now it looks like they're more available in all stores. You can check them out. Okay. But anyways, we're talking about the 5080 that I got today. I did get this yesterday. Was it yesterday? Yeah, 2 days ago actually I got this card. I haven't had a chance to make a video. So you know how itchy it has been for me to install it on my PC. I'm just getting around to it now to make a video on it. I want to unbox it for you for the first time. And it's been killing me because I just want to put it in my PC, but I like to make videos on it, so here you guys go. So here's the card. As a PNY, it's 16 gigs of VRAM and has RGB here, like it says right there, and you can see the colors there. It is the GeForce RTX 5080. You have all the specs here as for the barcode and everything. More information on the device right here. But if you've seen a graphics card, they all do the same thing. They're all the same thing. And you have a lot of stuff here. Guys, when you install a new graphics card, the best way to do it, the most recommended way to do it is to uninstall your old drivers for the graphics card and install brand new drivers. I'm not going to do that right now, but I know I've had issues in the past. Like when I installed a new graphics card on a new rig, it gave me issues, giving me problems. And people don't realize it because they said because the old graphics drivers do give you issues. And I've seen it. I've seen it firsthand, so I know it's true. There's a way to do it. I never made a video on it. I've done it already on this rig because I was having issues with some games, and they told me to do that step, and it worked, and the game started working perfectly fine, flawlessly. So if you do run into issues, if you just upgrade the drivers and not remove the old ones and install the new ones, and if you have no issues, go ahead, you're good. But if you have issues, guys, you have to use something called DUU software. Is driver uninstaller utility, I think it's called. I don't know. I know it's DDU or DUU, something like that. It's meant to, you got to put your system in a safe mode and actually remove the drivers completely and install the new ones while you're in there. And then the graphics card should have no issues. But if you don't have no issue, you can just upgrade the graphics. That's what I'm gonna do first. Cause there's a little process of doing that. And I don't feel like doing it. But they do recommend you should do it every time you get a new graphics card. But like I said, I'm not gonna do that unless I run into issues. I'm not gonna do that. But up to you. Everybody does their own way. I'm just telling you how you should do it. But even I'm not taking my own advice. So, but anyways, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and show you what's inside this box. First time opening it, as you see, it's still taped up. I haven't even taken off the tape here. The tape, see? And because I keep all my boxes. So whoever buys my 3080 will get it in the box, basically brand new. I've had some feelers because I already posted it because I knew I was getting this. I posted it online, and I'm just trying. I got some low borders. I got some feelers like, oh, I'm gonna contact you, but you know how they are. So all right, so we're gonna open this up here like this, and just open it up, pop it up, open like this, and it's not. I was being a little pain in the butt right here to open it up, but it's okay. All right, there you go. Open it up, guys. We'll first open it up. It'll be completely covered with foam. Take the top foam off. And you'll have a manual here, which if you need to read, there you guys go. On the side, you have some accessory stuff here. I think because these 50 series take a new type of cable. And you need the built-in adapter. Yeah. You have a side cable here if you need the side cable. The bar. Okay, so these are the new cables that attach it to the 50 series. If you guys are aware of it, let me explain it because I've seen it online when people are unboxing the GPUs. Okay, so this part right here is the one that connects to the graphics card, and these are your normal power cables that you connect to your to your power supply. As you notice, it's all different. So they provide you with the adapter to put it on there, so you connect your power supply here and you connect this to your GPU. Very simple to do, which sucks because my GPU has this. You can see, I don't know if you can see it right there. Yeah, you see the light? That's the one that's connected to my GPU. So there's two ways you can fix that. Actually, there's only one way that I could think of. Well, two ways technically. One, go back to your stock cables and just say F it and just plug it up like that. I can still plug it up to that, but you don't have this much space of dead light. Up to you. Or two, buy aftermarket ones that what's it called? A power supply that already has this cable built in, and buy a streamer that has this one built in. That's the only way I can think of fixing it. But yeah, you need this cable to hook up your graphic card. If you ever lose this one, you're SOL. Just to let you guys know. All right, so that's the only thing that's in accessories is the adapter. All right, and then here is the graphics card. Other than that, there's nothing else in the box. This is the graphics card. I'm gonna open it for the first time here. As you saw, just opened in there. Like I said, I've been very itchy to open this up. And boom, look how nice that thing is, guys. Look how nice it is. So there is a plastic piece on here that you need to take off, which I'm gonna take off right now. As you saw, very nice. And then make sure you take off this part right here. This is what connects to your motherboard. Boom, you turn it around, you got more plastic pieces to take off here. Yeah, it's going around all around, so I just ripped it off on top there so you guys can see I'm peeling it off here. Just peel it all off, guys. So this is where the cable connects. When you do connect, is right here. As you see it, they made the slot smaller. Boom, guys, and then boom, you just take all this off. And that's the plastic, and then you got more plastic down here. There's a lot of plastic on this, so so there you guys go. Look how nice that thing is. And it says GeForce RTX 5080 right there, guys, so you know it's not a fake card or anything. Man, I've been waiting to get my hands on one of these. And of course you have your plugs here. On the 30 series and 40 series, they had one HDMI and 3 DP ports. Hopefully they keep it the same, in which it looks like they did. So 3 DP ports and then 1 HDMI, which is perfect. That's exactly what I need. That's how I have my setup set up. And now that's the unboxing, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the computer now, and then I'll come back after and give my final thoughts and show you how it looks inside. All right, guys, I'll be right back. All right, I know I said I wasn't gonna show you how to do this, but I might as well do it while I have you guys here. And put everything to the side here because I don't want nothing to be broken when I take this out. So basically take off the top here. And I gotta take off this top screw here. Yeah, with the Leon cases, when it comes to taking out screws and stuff, it's a pain. I mean, taking out panels, everything's screwed in. I mean, I guess it's secure. All right, so just doing this quick because this shouldn't take me long at all. Take this to put this to the side. Let's connect this cable here. Disconnect my stuff back here for the. All right. Where's my HDMI? I had an HDMI connected here. I don't know what happened. Okay. Whatever case, and then take off the side screws here. To hold the GPU in. I use a screwdriver. I mean, you could take it by hand. But what? Well, and I just dropped it. That's all good. I gotta take it off here. Push the button here. And here is my 3080 Ti, guys. It doesn't say it on here like this one does here. But yeah, this is a 3080 Ti, which is 12 gigs of VRAM, and with the regular 3080 is 10 gigs of VRAM. Put that to the side because I'm gonna put that down there. I'm not gonna show you putting that in. That definitely I'm not gonna do. What I'm gonna do first is hook up the cable to this. There's only one way to put it in, so don't break it, because if you break it, you're assed out. All right. Because with the newer power supplies, this plug is already built in to the power supply, so you don't have to have this extension. But since I have this supply here, I need this. So I'm gonna put this in. So I put it here gently, and hopefully it should go in smoothly with no issue. I just remembered this while I try to put this. Normally the 30 series and I think some of the 40 series only take two slots in of the thing to put it in. This one now takes 3 slots. So I have to remove the bottom slot here so I can put it in, because it wasn't going in at all. When I was putting it in, I was like, why isn't that going in? It's because I had another one on this here. One of these, you have to take out one of these slots. That takes 3 slots for some reason. Don't know why, but whatever. My motherboard has a space for it, so I'm not worried too much about it. Because there's nothing underneath the 3rd slot for me. And there goes the 3 slots that you have to stick them on there. And hopefully, yeah, it covers all 3 slots. Just wanted to make sure. Look how nice that looks. So big compared to the 30 series. Now I gotta put this slot away so I don't lose it. Because sometimes when it comes to the boards, I like to keep everything. Because you never know. Sometimes people decide to change stuff around, and I do that because I'm already thinking of changing this case to a different case. I'm gonna go with this. I might go with this Thermaltake case that I like. It's called the 600. The Thermaltake case 600. I don't know. It's somewhere down there. I'll find it in a minute. All right. So once you have this all hooked up, basically all you gotta do is connect these cables on here, and then you're all set. I don't know if you need to connect all three of them, but since I only have two coming out, I'm gonna leave this like this. And right there, it's not gonna be perfect, but it does the job. It keeps it. So now, hook up my power stuff here that I had hooked up. All right, that's all hooked up. That's hooked up. Turn on the power. Let's see how this looks turned on. So, okay, so I don't know if you can see it here, but the graphics card itself is lighting up. The PNY here lights up. There's a PNY that lights up here, and there's an arrow that points that way. Like a shape of an arrow points that way that lights up. The two fans on the outers light up, and a little bit of the graphics card more over here lights up. But there you guys go, set up. I'm gonna see how it works on my PC, and then we're gonna go from there and give my final thoughts. All right guys, so we're back here, and as you can see, I have everything hooked up. My screen is displaying, we're all good, everything's working. And if you notice, I didn't leave the RGB cables in there for the streamer kit, just because I felt that I needed to use all three slots of the power supply for the graphics card just to be safe, because I don't want any issues down the road. So I just went ahead and just hooked up all three of them. So I had to take out the streamers on it. So it's fine. I'm gonna order new ones and everything. And so it doesn't look as bad. It's a little darker than before, but you still see the outer rings all light up. And then I figured with the graphics card giving me the RGB, it was enough. So right now, just looking at it, I think it's enough for me to have it like this. I'm not too worried about it. But overall, it was, like I said, it's an easy process. The only issue I ran into is when I put in the new graphics card and I try to display everything on the graphics card on my screen, it wouldn't work. Why? Because the drivers. And I tried to install the drivers before I even swap out the graphics card, but since it didn't read the graphics card itself, it says this driver is not going to work for your attached graphics card. So we don't have, like, it says something, no device found with the attached graphic, whatever it was. The graphics card wasn't there for it to be installed. So I was like, okay, so what I had to do is use the onboard HDMI port on here to go ahead and connect it to the screen, so I could go and install the software. Once that was installed, I hooked up the DP port to the graphics card, and it worked perfectly, and it's running out perfect with no issues, guys. So luckily I didn't freak out and I knew what to do, so I'm not too worried about that. So that's it for today's video, guys. I unboxed it, I installed it, and I showed you how it works. Am I happy with it? Yes. I won't find out more until, or even see the difference until I play some games and see the graphic difference in it and the performance on it when I'm doing other stuff. So for right now, I'm happy with it and I have no issues with it. And if you enjoyed this video and everything I had to show you today, guys, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. Show me all the love and support that you guys love to show the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that share button, because sharing is caring. And we want to make sure that everybody is aware of everything we do on this channel, so they're not missing out, just like you're not missing out. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, put them in the comment box down below, and I'll get to you as soon as I can, when I can, as fast as I can. And if you still haven't done so to the end of the video, guys, hit the subscribe button, enable bell notifications, so you guys get notified every time we drop great videos like this one, or whenever we go live. Because trust me, guys, you're never going to want to miss out. And that's it for today, guys. Until next time, I'm out of here. Peace.